cracking Expressers? My name is Bunny Tears. Happy Monday and welcome to this updates and changes video in regards to Express Network. A few things are going to be changed, a few things are going to be made better, and we thought it was a great idea to bring out this video just to keep you guys in the loop, essentially. But, however, as always, as you guys know, if you know me, even in the slightest, first thing is always first. This is a search and rescue on Siege. Now, this is Call of Duty Ghosts. It's on the Xbox 360. It's a pretty old game of mine, but I needed something long enough to get all of the information about the changes and updates that are coming your way, so this will have to do. It was a pretty good game. It went reasonably well. I was playing with a full team, so it was good fun, but that's what you're watching. But for now, let's move on to the actual subject of this video. So the first thing that I want to talk about in this video is actually the Express Network Skype chat. Now, the Skype chat is an amazing place to be in general. It just really is. Everyone is so lovely. We've helped people grow so much. If someone's ever come into the chat and just said, hey guys, I'm so close to 100 subs, I just need 13 more, or something along those lines, we all kind of band together to help that person achieve their goals on YouTube. So it's a very, very nice place to be. However, from a business standpoint, it's extremely difficult to stay in contact with everyone, all of the partners and directors and everyone like that within the Skype chat, because everything is so quick. Everyone expects a quick response, and most of the time we can't give an immediate response. There's just too many questions. So there's going to be a slight change with the chat. The chat's still going to be running. We're still going to be bringing people into it. It's going to be our place for having fun, essentially talking and helping each other out. However, it will no longer be used as a medium to ask staff members questions about the network or about the business or anything like that. So it's not going to be for business related questions. It's just going to be a place to have fun. Now, any questions you do have as a partner, director, or as a potential partner or director, or as someone just who wants to know a little bit more information about Express Network, the person you have to contact is the community manager here, which is James, and his email address is james@express-network.com. Now, I will put that in a link in the description below so that, of course, everyone has access to it. Now, James is the community manager, so from now on, any questions you have about the network have to go through James. If they're put into the Skype chat, they won't be answered because we won't be looking there for questions anymore. Of course, we'll still chat to you in the Skype chat. We'll still have a great load of fun in there. However, it won't be used to ask questions about the actual network or about your partnership or directorship or your potential partnership or directorship. So that's one of the things we had to get out of the way. It's all all the contact basically between you guys and the staff members has to be done through James at that email address. Now, the next change is a little less boring. Now, with sites like Twitch and Keek and all of these live streaming sites going pretty big recently, we've decided as a network that we're going to start a live streaming channel. That is correct. So twitch.tv/Express Network is where you can find our live streaming channel. Now, this channel is at the moment being run by a guy called Mr. E. He's pretty new to the network, a great legend. If you don't know who he is, he's actually got his introduction video up on the channel at the moment, so you can check that out as well. And Mr. E is essentially going to be responsible for looking after our live streaming channel. So every so often, Mr. E will be live streaming. He'll be putting it into the Skype chat whenever he is, so we can all jump on and enjoy the show. However, yeah, we thought it was something that we definitely needed to do because streaming is just getting bigger and bigger. It's going from strength to strength. And in general, I just agree with the whole thing. I think the idea of streaming is very good. It means that we can connect to the audience on a much more personal level because anything they see on the screen is actually happening at that time. There's more of a conversation between the network and the actual viewers, so we thought it'd be a great idea. It just seemed like the correct direction to go in. So just to let you guys know again, it is twitch.tv/Express Network. Make sure you check that out. Make sure you follow it. Make sure you subscribe if you can, even though we don't have a subscribe button yet. But hey, subscribe anyway. Find a way because, you like Express and that's the best thing to do. The next thing I want to mention is this business structure that I've been talking about for a while now. For those of you that haven't actually heard me talk about this, I've been mentioning the fact that I have a business structure I want to implement into Express to help us grow and also to give everyone the opportunity to work directly for us and with us. Now, this business structure is actually complete now at the moment. It's nearly ready to be revealed. The only thing we have left to do is to find a professional level coder who can write a program for us that would actually help us to make this business structure work correctly. So that's the only thing we're waiting for. It is completely finished. We're just literally waiting for that. We're looking around, basically shopping around, seeing who we can find that's going to be able to do a good enough job. So if you know anyone who is extremely talented when it comes to coding, let someone know. Let James know. We've already given you the email in this video, so make sure you hit him up, because at the moment we're just looking for someone with a lot of talent to help us get this business structure off the ground. And then once that is done, it's just going to be a much more exciting place to be. So that's something else you have to look forward to. Now, I know I've been talking about this business structure for God knows how long now, and it still hasn't been implemented, but don't worry, it is coming. It's purely because there is actually a lot of work to do behind the scenes in order to make it function correctly. Because I could technically release it right now and start work, but it would just cause a lot of problems later on down the line. So that's essentially what's keeping us back. So if you do know any coders or anyone who is very talented at coding, let us know, and then we would like to get in contact with them to see if they can make the magic happen, essentially. Another pretty major update that I feel I at least have to mention at some point in this video is in regards to Mr. Owen Bennett himself. Now, for those of you that have been partners or directors with Express for more than 2 minutes, you'll know who Owen is. Owen is a legend. He's been here since the absolute beginning, and about 3 or 4 months ago, Owen came to me and asked me if he could fill a certain role within Express Network that was network manager. Now, the skill and talent that Owen has as a network manager is unbelievable, but up until this point, he was actually on a probational period within Express to basically give us an opportunity to see how good he would be in that position, and then if he was good, we'd give him the full-time position. And I guess I wanted to just announce on this video that Owen Bennett has been given the full-time position of network manager. So congratulations, Mr. Owen. I'm going to clap for you right now. Congratulations. You earned it, my friend. You're very good at your job. Everyone loves you. We'll miss you when you're not here. And welcome back. Welcome back. So that's another thing, another exciting thing we've got going on. The energy is always so high when Owen is around. And now that he's a full-time member of staff, I know he's going to do nothing but great things for the network. Now, the final update that I want to talk about in this video is probably going to be the biggest change to Express, visually anyway. I want to talk about the directorship program. So, previously, the way that the directorship program worked was that people would just apply, we would accept some people, decline some people, and anyone who was accepted could just upload videos to the channel whenever they wanted. Now, this was good because it offers some level of flexibility. It means that people can upload as much as they want. However, after a while, we started to realize this might not be the best way to do things, purely because there were some directors who were uploading literally more than one video a day to the Express channel itself, and then there were other directors who basically just weren't uploading at all, and it was very difficult to keep track of who was uploading and who wasn't uploading because there was no set structure in place. Now, after a while, we started to notice that the entertainment value of the Express Network channel itself was falling because less and less people were uploading, and there was no real way to keep tabs on who was doing a good job and who was doing a bad job. So to keep the channel entertaining, we've decided to implement an entirely new directorship program. So things are gonna change, people. Things are gonna change vastly. So the way that the new directorship program is going to work is that certain directors will upload on certain days. So I think we have enough directors at the moment. We've cleared a lot out, and the ones that we have left is basically enough for one person to upload on each day of the week. I think that one of the days is split between 2 directors, but essentially the way it's going to work is on Mondays, I, Bunny Tears, will be bringing you videos. Then on Tuesdays, other people will be bringing you videos. Wednesdays, completely different people. Thursdays, different. Fridays, different. Saturdays, different, etc., etc. And this means that you will know exactly what day a certain director will be uploading videos to the channel. So it means that a relationship will be easier to build because you'll know that, hey, that guy I love on the Express Network channel, he uploads on Wednesdays, so every Wednesday I'm going to tune in. And then when you do, maybe you see someone else you like and you think, hey, okay, I'll tune in on Wednesdays and Saturdays, or God knows what. I mean, it just means it's going to be a lot easier for everyone, and we'll be able to keep track of the directors, because the directorship program is something that's very sought after in this company, so we need to make sure the directors are doing their job correctly and not abusing the position, essentially. So at least this way we can keep tracks on how often people are uploading, and you guys will know exactly what is coming and when, so we'll be posting that timetable on the YouTube channel very soon. It will probably be a link, so keep your eyes open for that. and that way you'll know exactly what is coming, when it is coming, and whether or not you fancy watching it on that particular day. So that is it, guys. We got all of the updates completely out of the way, so you can see that Express is going in a very positive direction over the next few weeks. It's going to be a very exciting time. I just wanted to thank you guys personally for making Express the place that it has become today. I love coming in and just chatting with all of you guys. I love to see how far we've come since we first started up, and it's absolutely amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep on expressing. I will see you next Monday. And bunny out, bitches.